How to change the battery in a Lamborghini Huracan or Aventador key fob. So the battery you need is a CR2032. So to get into it, you've got a button on the back here. You've got to push that down, pull that out. And then you've got another button on the inside of here. So even if you push both sides together and then pull, you've got to give it a bit of a wiggle because it's got a rubber seal in there and that makes it a bit tight. And the battery just sits in there. So you simply stick it in, stick that in there. Boom. Now you want to make sure, guys, some of these batteries, especially if you get them on Amazon or eBay, there's a lot of fakes out there. So I've just bought some new ones here from Amazon, and one way that you can kind of tell if it's a fake or not is if you go over to AliExpress. It's like a Chinese site, a bit like eBay but Chinese, but there's a lot of knockoff stuffs on here. So people buy stuff from this site to then sell on Amazon and eBay. So if you come down here, just make sure that whatever battery you're buying isn't available on AliExpress, because if it is available on AliExpress, there's a good chance that it's a fake over here. So I've just bought myself these Duracell ones, or of course you could go out to a proper store like Tesco's or Walmart or something like that, and then you're going to know that they're genuine. But if you get the fakes, they're just not going to last that long.